Now in this video I'm going to guide you through setting up a main menu for your database. Really trying to make the database user friendly, straightforward and simple to use, rather than letting users mess around with tables and queries directly. We want to create them a user interface which is straightforward and simple to navigate. So let's kind of run through how we do that. Okay, so we're going to need to first off create a form for each of our tables, which I've already done. Okay, and that's quite simple. Yeah, you should know how to do that. I'll show you, for example, the customer form. Now, I've not bothered editing it and changing it. The purpose of this video is not to kind of run through that again. You already know how to change the layout of forms and move fields around and make them look a bit more user friendly. Let's focus on the main menu. Okay, so very quickly, just create yourself a standard form for each table, and then let's create the main menu. So to do that, I'm going to use a blank form. Okay, that's not tied to any table at all, and I'm just going to add my title in. So let's just call this my main menu. Okay, and I'm just going to flick it into design view, and rather simply now, it's just literally a case of adding on the buttons that I want to form part of my menu. So if I go and grab the button tool from up here and draw on. Okay, now the first option in my menu I think I'm going to have as being a edit customer details or manage customer details for this database. So I've just selected form operations and open form. Okay, and click next. Now the form that I obviously want to be opened when clicking this button is the customer form, so I'm just going to leave that at default and press next. Open the form and show all records is absolutely fine in this case. So press next. This one's quite important. I could use an icon on the button, but I don't think people are going to work out that that's the customer management option. So I'm going to label mine using text, and I'll just call it customer. Customer management. Okay, and press next again. I'll leave that and press finish, and there I have the first option on my main menu. Okay, and it's just a simple case of running through for each of my other forms to build up this menu structure. So the next one, form operations, open form, and this one will be for my product management table. So let's go into there, text again, item management. Okay, press next and press finish. Okay, do a bit of resizing and editing around that as well. Okay, so that's how you set up. Let's just preview that's working. So if we preview that and click on my customer management form, now my customer form loads up. What I could do is actually edit this form and put a return to main menu option on as well, so that I can then get back to my main menu. So that's really your task now, is to set up a menu structure whereby you can access each of your individual forms, and then also on each of the individual forms put a return to main menu so that the user can also then get back to where they've come from. Okay, an extension task well at the end of this is to make a separate form with a list of queries on that your user could access. So just in the same way that we did in main menu, see if you can work out how to do one, so we can have an option for just running different queries and reports in the database as well as a final task. Okay, but that's it. Hopefully fairly straightforward. Have a go at implementing that on your database.